Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear project cache in Android Studio. So keep your project open inside Android Studio. Go to the top menu bar here under the file, invalidate cache. You need to find that right here. Now a dialog window will appear with several checkbox options for a true cleanup. Check the following boxes. So clear file system cache and local history. Wipes temporary OS file indexes, clear VCS log caches and indexes, cleans up Git version control tracking indexes, and delete embedded JDK locations. And yeah, refresh the internal Java runtime setup if you have that option, and then mark downloaded dependencies for deletion. So let's head over with this one. Click on invalidate and restart. When Android Studio restarts, look at the status bar at the bottom right. The ID will immediately begin indexing and downloading dependencies like so, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next